All right, so DGP Tuesday. I'm not here today. It's not a big deal. But looking at DGP Tuesday, we have two subjects, two verbs, one direct object, and then two prepositional phrases. Okay, so looking at our subjects, they're going to be nouns, right? And they're going to be the action that's taking care of most of this. So my family went on a camping trip near the redwood forest. Okay, in this sentence, family is the one doing something. Okay, family is the one doing something. So that is our simple subject. Now, are there any modifiers to that simple subject? If that's the case, then they're both single underline, or they're everything single underline. So my family makes it more specific which family we're talking about. So that is a single underline. Okay. We have one more subject defined. But my sister hates camping. Okay. So in this case, sister is our simple subject, right? And we have a single underline in the same case that it's my sister. It makes it more specific. Okay, remember that the verbs, although they modify and change the understanding of what the subject is doing, the verb always stays in the predicate. Okay, the verb always stays in the predicate. So let's take a look at our verbs. We have two of those defined as well. So with my sister, what is it my sister does? She hates. Okay, so in this case, it's either VT or VI. Remember that we do have one direct object, so let's see if the other one might have a direct object. My family went. Does it say went camping? No, it says on a camping trip. So in this case, this does not have a direct object. What this has is a prepositional phrase. It actually has two prepositional phrases here. So this one is VI, and we know directly that my sister hates, and very specifically, camping. So camping is our direct object. It is a gerund phrase that has a direct object. Okay. All right. So looking at hates, the thing that my sister hates doing is camping. Okay. So that is your double underline. All right. Now, my family went on a camping trip. Very specifically, they went on a camping trip near the redwood forest. So our complete predicate is the entire rest of the sentence. Okay. So now what you have left is a prepositional phrase. Oh, this did not double underline. What you have left is two prepositional phrases. I have to make sure I double underline these two. There you go. Two prepositional phrases and an object of the preposition. So if we look back on Monday, our prepositional phrases start with Prep is on a camping trip near the redwood forest. So that's where our prepositional phrases exist. All right. What is the object? Remember that they start at the preposition. So we know that in each one, since they start at the preposition, that is going to be at the start of where the preposition is actually at. Okay. So what is the object of on? It is camping trip. Okay. Very specifically, it's trip though. Okay. Near what? Near this forest. Now, this forest has a very specific name. So it is a two-word proper noun. Okay. Trip is one single word because it's just a general camping trip itself. Okay. Now, modifications here. We were on a camping trip. What did we do on a camping trip? Well, we went on the camping trip. And very specifically, we went near the redwood forest. So again, adverb prepositional phrase. All right, that's DGP Tuesday. If you have any questions, any concerns, let me know. By now, you should be getting this down. All right, have a great day. Be good people.